Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Justin Parr. Thanks for tuning into this video. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing as well. It'll help me grow this channel I'm trying to create. The video today, we found a capsized vessel offshore of North Carolina while drifting for Wahoo. I was diving with my friends Trey Reagan, Coleman Allen, and we did shoot some Wahoo on this capsized boat. We did not get those Wahoo shots on video, so what I will do for you is roll a shot of a Wahoo I've previously caught. I also have a video of this, which I'll link in the description and up on the page here in case you want to see it. Now, as I mentioned, we did shoot Wahoo this day and catch Wahoo. I'll have some photos at the end of this video with the Wahoo we caught. And I hope you enjoy the wildlife we saw around this capsized boat. It seemed to be something that probably drifted up from Florida. It seems like it was a small flat style skiff, but I'll put some voiceover on the video here as well. These dives recorded on September 22nd, 2019. We are off the coast of North Carolina. We were hunting for Wahoo and found this boat covered in fish. It was initially covered in mahi, Wahoo, tunas down below, and we hunted for around 30-40 minutes and got a few Wahoo off of the boat. Then I decided to break my camera out, so you are seeing the aftermath of our hunting where there's still a bunch of fish around. We're not taking any shots in this video, but wanted to show you what it looked like when we find a ship offshore or any sort of capsized vessel. A bunch of fish around, including triple tail, that cobia, filefish, jacks. There's also tunas down deep that you can't quite make out in the video, but it really is a crazy ecosystem that's created offshore when these boats drift through, or anything really. I'm going to put some audio over the rest of these clips, some music, and I hope you enjoy it. That's definitely a tuna. And here's the wahoo I caught. A little bit closer up here now. The 2 wahoo that Coleman and I had in the cooler, and me trying to fit that cooler into my car. Look at that. I still have a mark on my ceiling from that wahoo too. We had a wonderful time making some delicious sushi with this fish. There's a fillet, there's all my friends. We were making some sushi rolls, and just a wonderful fish to catch and to eat. So thank you guys for watching the video. Here's some recommended videos, and I'll post another video next Sunday, 5 p.m. Thanks. Bye.